What's going on, guys? Webull, the rival to Robinhood, just announced an update to their app version 6.0. They're launching some amazing new features that you won't want to miss, and I'll be going over all of them in this episode. My name is Reggie Wills, and you're watching Will's Way. Page, I'll leave that link in the description below. The first thing that you see is a colorful retro looking sticks for obvious reasons because this is version 6.0. Just below that you'll see efficiency and opportunity. Webull version 6.0 will be available within the next few weeks. This latest demonstration of synergy between technology and finance translates into a Webull user experience that provides more opportunities through better efficiency. So to me it sounds like they're trying to streamline their app to make it a little more user friendly, because that's one of the biggest downfalls that I've noticed between Webull and Robinhood. Robinhood is just a little easier for users to get around. Although in regards to information, I've said it before, Webull is definitely the winner in that category. Big buttons mode. This is the first of two new modes that they've added to the app, and it says enter big button mode to quickly place trades at the push of a button. So when I first saw this, I thought that this would be replacing the original way that you make trades on Webull, but in all actuality, it's a mode that you can go into to change the view while you're trading. The other mode that they added is called price ladder mode, and it says access the price ladder to get a view of the order book and seamlessly place your orders by tapping on the bids and asks. Webull mentions that both of these modes are designed for active day traders who execute intraday strategies to profit off of price changes. I personally am not a day trader, I'm more of a long-term investor, but I can see the value behind using a tool like this as a day trader. Next you have voice commands, which I think is extremely innovative on Webull's part. With simple voice prompts such as buy, sell, or search, place orders and look up tickers using only your voice on Webull. Buy 100,000 shares of please subscribe to my channel. Continuing on, they've streamlined portfolio and P&L pages, which you'll find is the most noticeable change in this update. They've maintained a sleek and concise layout and have added the account value charts so that investors can see the performance of their portfolios over time. Next, Webull has added even more powerful charting tools. Webull charting now supports 40 technical indicators, including a brand new positions cost distribution indicator, as well as 12 charting tools designed to help you analyze trends and decipher market information. When it comes to comparing Webull and Robinhood as far as how much you can analyze a stock within the app, there literally is no comparison. Webull completely wins this 100%. Last but not least, Webull has revamped their Explore page. The new Explore page utilizes various screeners such as real-time rankings and sector trends to help you through the market noise. If you like to invest in dividend-paying stocks like I do, a useful feature on the Explore page is the calendar, which shows you upcoming ex-dividend dates as well as their corresponding dividend yields. Overall, this is a great update packed with a lot of new features. There's only one thing that I would like to see added, and that's the 1-day chart and 1-week chart on the P&L page. So if you have Webull, the beta version of this update is out right now. I'll put the link in my description. If you don't have Webull yet, feel free to use the referral link down below in my description. You'll receive 2 free stocks. And as always, guys, remember, where there's a Wills, there's a way. Peace. Buy 100,000 shares of please subscribe to my channel.